Today I'm going to show you how to log out of the Claude AI app in just a few taps. This is a super quick tutorial, but it's really useful if you're switching accounts, using a shared device, or you simply want to sign out for privacy and security. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open the Claude app on your phone or tablet. Once the app is open, look for your profile picture or your initials, usually located in the corner of the screen. Tap on that profile icon to open your account menu. In that menu, you should see several account options, including settings and sign out options. Now find and tap log out. Claude will sign you out of the app and you'll be taken back to the login screen. That's all there is to it. If you ever need to switch accounts or protect your privacy on a shared device, this is the fastest way to do it. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another quick app guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.